Casa Verde Gago stands in the historic center of Ancio, Portugal, as an example of how an old house can be given new life without losing its identity. This renovation creates a contemporary residence that respects its historical context, making the architecture a bridge between the past and today's needs. The distinctive green facade, which gives the house its name, is not only aesthetically pleasing but also maintains continuity with the local heritage. Wood accents on the facade and interior elements add warmth while creating a welcoming and natural atmosphere. This combination of colors and materials reflects a balance between tradition and innovation. From a sustainability perspective, the use of local materials such as wood, optimal natural lighting, and the integration of open spaces demonstrate a concern for energy efficiency and environmental quality. These simple yet effective solutions demonstrate that even a small home can be designed with truly eco-friendly principles. The interior of the house is divided into 2 apartment units with an efficient layout. Each floor features a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom, while the upper floor features a work and storage area. The presence of a patio as an outdoor space enhances the quality of life, allowing for natural light, air, and interaction with the environment. Casa Verde Gago offers more than just a home, but also inspiration for how architecture can create harmony between sustainability, comfort, and cultural identity. This residence reminds us that a home is more than just a space, but a statement of values and a way of life that aligns with its surroundings and history.